let's add our tie-dye to our black and white weaving. You are going to need your weaving paper finished. You'll need your tie-dye, a pencil, and there'll be a tracer for you to use on your table. The first thing you'll do is turn your tie-dye over, and you're carefully going to trace that peace sign. Careful as you go all the way around and make sure it fits on there. The top edge and the bottom edge might be a little tricky, but try your very best. You might go over top of your name, and that's okay. Once you've traced yours, it's time to cut it out. I start by doing that circle on the outside. Now there's two different ways to cut the inside shapes out. You can fold your paper a little and do a little snip inside the triangle pie shape opening, and then put your scissors through to cut around. Be very careful as you do this. Always be aware of where the points of your scissors are as you cut. The other way you can do it is simply by cutting straight through. I cut right along that middle line of my peace sign. Don't worry, because we're going to be gluing it in place, so it will get glued back together. Now I just follow those pencil lines. Only those pie triangle shapes should come out. There I have that tie-dye peace sign. Now I get to glue it on my paper. Make sure my weaving has my name on the back, and it can go either direction. You get to decide, is it going up and down or side to side? You can use a glue stick to carefully add that glue on your peace sign, and then press it on your weaving. Careful if you've cut yours, because you want to make sure those pieces line up and touch each other and there's no gaps. It'll make the illusion that it was never even cut in the first place. Notice how I rub with my hands and hold it down in place. There we have our peace sign weaving.